Our French immersion program began in the year 2000 when we introduced French immersion to Avon-Maitland. And we have 4 schools now that offer French immersion. We have Anne Hathaway, Bedford, Stratford Central Public School, and Stratford Central Secondary School. And the students begin French immersion in grade 1. It's a 50-50 program. It's half of the student's day is in French and half the student's day is in English. And that is covered by English language arts and mathematics. All of the other subjects are taught in French. Gradual introduction of French for our grade 1 students is very gentle. The students are familiar with school routines and they are gently introduced or gradually introduced to French vocabulary as the teacher teaches them to follow the routines in French.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes! Okay?
And so gradually the students are able to assimilate that language and are encouraged to take risks and use their newly acquired language with each other as well as with the teacher.
Le Chateau Jaune. Caroline et Léo regardent les balançoires. La glissade et le château jaune.
Papa, est-ce que nous pouvons aller dans le château? Dit Caroline. Dit Papa.
When they get to high school, they have a choice of taking either 7 or 10 credits for an extended French or a French immersion certificate.
Il va regarder spécifiquement, probablement en France. Alors, je ne sais pas s'il va ajouter ça dans sa thèse plus tard, mais peut-être.
When students come into the French immersion program in grade 9 from the elementary program, they can already speak to us in French, which definitely demonstrates that they've been learning a lot before they come here, and they've been doing it for so many years that it just seems natural to them.
Est-ce que le troisième paragraphe peut être réputation à l'opinion?
We usually try to only speak French, and we have conversations about different things, like the teacher will split us up and give us a topic, and then we have to talk for a few minutes, just producing different stories or experiences, and that's how we build our French, and that's what it is kind of about in grade 11.
Well, I just think it's a good idea. I mean, obviously French is our second language, and it's always good to have more language. It looks good for jobs and schools and stuff. And I just think it's a good idea, and it was fun and challenging, and I don't know, I liked it.
Some of the students in my French immersion program I've been with since grade 1. I mean, obviously some have come in, some have left, but I'd say at least half of the class are people I have known most of my life. So it's a very comfortable situation to learning.
What we do at secondary is to improve upon that so that they can possibly get to the B1/B2 level. B2 level is considered officially bilingual. And we have already had students that have attained that level officially through the DELF test.
The DELF test is an internationally recognized test for proficiency in another language, and in this case, French. So it is a really great opportunity for students if they are interested in learning another language.
Je m'appelle Sarah et je recommanderais le français immergent à toutes les personnes qui veulent étudier quelque chose de nouveau.